We are here in La Paz, Bolivia, and we are going to take you to see something you will not see anywhere else in the world. High in the Andes, over 12,000 feet above sea level, sits one of the most unique cities in the world, La Paz, Bolivia. A place where ancient traditions still live today. At first, everything feels normal. Markets, vendors, people moving through their day, la vida cotidiana, everyday life. Oh, but then, something changes. The energy feels different, and then, hanging above the stalls, are fetos de llamas. Baby llama fetuses. It feels a little shocking. Especially when I first saw them, I thought they were dogs, so I was horrified. Freaking dog. Incorrecto, este es un pequeño llama. But this isn't what you think. It isn't about something dark. It's about something ancient. In the Andes, people believe in Pachamama, Mother Earth. Here, people don't just take from the earth. They give something back. Hay que pagarle a la tierra. You have to pay the earth. And these sacred offerings, they are gifts for La Pachamama, Mother Earth. For example, when a new home is built or you're starting something new, one is buried beneath the foundation to ensure safety. Also, para protección, para balancia, and also for buena energía, good energy. And just to clarify, most of these come from natural causes like miscarriages up in the Andes Mountains. And they are then dried naturally in the sun. Se seca con el sol. But the llamas are only part of the story. Walking through the Mercado de las Brujas, every object has meaning. For example, in the Andes, there is a trilogy of power that represents the different realms of existence. For example, La Serpiente, the serpent or the snake, representing the underworld and transformation. Then you have the puma, el puma, representing the world of the living and earthly strength. And one of the most important symbols of all is the condor, el condor, the messenger of the heavens. Condor connects the earth to the spirit world. It carries the souls from the physical world to the spiritual realm. Together, these symbols represent, something deeper, the balance, the equilibrio, the balance between the physical world, the spiritual world, and the world within. Vivian and I chose our amulets, and we asked them to be blessed. I bought 3 amuletos, the serpiente, abujo, y puma, the snake, the owl, and the puma. And now she's going to bless them and give them good energy, buena energía. The blessing is performed by a Yatiri, an Andean spiritual guide. En el bujo para mi esposa to protect la familia. So I got my puma and my serpiente.
El sol es para que vayas brillando en el camino también.
El sol, vea, llevemos el sol.
Okay.
Para que lo demás, a Paulina, que Paulina también tiene el don, mi hija, porque mi hija también es muy linda y ella es un ser humano invaluable también.
Ya, y puedes llevar 2 lunas, una para su hija, una para usted, una se puede llevar también.
Una para mí también.
Para que vaya brillando en el camino y en tu trabajo, en proyectos, lo que tenga. ¿Cuál es su nombre?
Viviana.
Bueno, ahora buena vida. ¿Su nombre?
Patrick.
Ahí nomás.
Amén.
Vamos a poner en base de plantas naturales, ¿sí? Ciérrelo.
Our guide was a Yatiri Warmi. Warmi means woman. These women aren't just practitioners. They are often chosen by the spirits after surviving a strike from lightning, un rayo. So she channels energy through a ritual known as Sahumarillo, which is a smoke ritual, and she calls upon the Achachilas, the spirits of the mountains. So it isn't just a blessing, she is also asking the universe to protect our path on our journey, which was awesome. You can actually feel the buena vibra. And really, it's not magic, this is thousands of years tradition that is passed down for generations. And yes, to outsiders it may seem strange, but here it's respect. Hay que pagarle a la tierra. You have to give back to the earth. So next time you see something you don't understand, ask, ¿qué es esto?